You can simplify the creation of some formulas by using entire column or row references when appropriate. In this list of over 700 names, we might want to know the total salary. So right here in column O, next to the phrase total salary, let's do a total here for the salaries out of column J. Now the auto sum button, which is found in two locations, on the formulas tab in the function library left-hand side, or on the home tab, extreme right side here in the editing group, auto sum. Let's click this. Auto sum always makes a guess. Here it makes a bad guess. We'll simply ignore it and click column J. Note the indicator J:J. We're done here. There's the answer. Fast, easy to read. We didn't have to drag across or type in any complex cell references. And similarly with average salary, take advantage of the fact that AutoSum has a drop arrow to the right of it. Let's choose average. Same idea here. It makes a bad guess. We'll click column J. We're all set. And one more here, average job rating. Go to the AutoSum button, click the drop arrow, choose average. This time column K. A bit too many decimals there in the display probably. Let's hide some of those. Easy way here, probably on the home tab, click comma style, and we probably wouldn't even want 2 decimals, so there we go, show only 1. Makes good sense. Now occasionally you might use a row reference. Here's an example here, not nearly as common. This one's already in place. This is doing what? It's simply adding up the data from row 12. Looks weird at first because somehow you're trying to figure out how it's adding 12s. It's not adding 12s at all. It's simply a reference to row number 12. But using this for a column makes good sense. Now, certain functions might need to use a column reference as well. And if we'd like to tabulate how many people work in this organization who are of a certain status, for example, full-time people, the function in question here is COUNTIF. COUNTIF, first, in a sense, asks us where we are looking. We're looking at that data in column F. And rather than highlighting F2 down to F750 or whatever, or typing in F2 colon whatever, let's just click column F, comma. And the criterion that we're looking for here is full-time. We could type it in within double quotes if we wish, but since it's already set up here, we'll just click right here and we're all done. And we could double-click to copy this down. We're all set. 54 hourly people, 198 contract people, and so on. A companion to COUNTIF is SUMIF, and there's also a function called AVERAGEIF. We might want salary totals here. We might want salary averages. And we can do all these at once, too. Equal SUMIF. We could have done this with COUNTIF in the same way, but we'll do SUMIF this time, SUMIF, left parenthesis. We're looking in column F again, comma, and we want to get the status. It's full-time. But the SUMIF function has 3 arguments to it, and once we find the full-time people, then we want to go into the corresponding column J to pick up the salaries. Now, since I've got 4 cells highlighted here, I don't want to simply press Enter, but press Control-Enter. And we've got answers for all 4 of them. And here, too, a quick fix on the display might be click the comma button in the number group on the Home tab. Probably don't need to see the decimals. We're all set. So different uses of writing formulas here using entire column references. It makes the formulas easier to create and easier to read.